Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Beef brisket. Here are our main ingredients for our seasonings. I have a green seasoning here, which is a mixture of shadow penny or cilantro you can use, parsley, some seasoning peppers like pimentos, and some garlic all ground up together, and some Worcestershire sauce, some red wine, and some kosher salt and coarse ground black pepper to taste. And I will list the ingredients and quantities in the description box below for you guys. I put all my seasonings straight in the slow cooker with the brisket. I'm going to let this sit for a few hours because I want it to get nice and marinated with all these lovely delicious seasonings. And several times during the process, during those few hours, I am going to just spoon and baste this brisket with all the lovely delicious marinade, and that's going to help it to infuse all the flavors and then keep everything moist as well. After letting my meat marinate for a few hours, all I'm going to do is just cover it, and I'm going to set the slow cooker on low for 10 hours. But I am going to check it before that time just to make sure everything's coming along really well. So it's been about 7.5 hours, and I'm going to check our brisket and see how it's doing. Wow, it is super tender. So you know what, even though I set it for 10 hours initially on low, it is perfectly cooked. So I am going to unplug this and take it off right now. There you go. That looks really, really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let me grab a little snack here. Delicious, delicious flavors and tender. Really great. I'm so glad how this slow cooker brisket came out. Just beautiful.
If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen. And follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.